concerning my eyes and my heart and myself. I have sinned very greatly myself, for I do not see her who holds my heart, and I die here desiring, and my heart weeping and my eyes crying. For even if she did me no other good, at least on the day when I could see her beautiful, gay, pleasing body, no harm could hold me. He is a fool who in love trusts his reason, or does anything it commands him. For I trusted it, which is why I happen to suffer, lamenting and sighing. For reason wanted me to go far away from my lady, wherefore I hold as madness all deeds that turn aside from the joy of love, and I hold as sense and wisdom all that joy makes me want. Every man who sees her gentle body loves her and fears her and blandishes her, and I more, for I have placed my heart and my faith in her and all my desire. For her bright beauty shines out, and her humble pleasing company, and her wit and her courtesy make worthy men honor and cherish her and thank her and fear her. She is worth so much that even if she does me no good, never will I take away my heart, nor my prayers, nor my song from her, and always I will ask for mercy, humbly begging. For I know that my harms are honored, for him who strives for rich worth, the effort, even if it tires him, is noble. Wherefore I do not want to take away my heart, nor my prayers, nor my good hope. Rather I love her, and will love her always. Each day seems to me more than a year, because I don't see her, and no deeds hold me back in which I do wrong. Rather I believe I do good to her and harm to myself. Alas, in such pleasing guidance, I have tried whether I might ever keep her love and her favor, and how I might do what pleases makes you worthy.